Guys, so I thought I'd give you a little POV of what I do in the day. Right now we're gonna go see my buddy Zach for a voiceover for a commercial.
2024 Nissan Murano. Get up to $2,000 in savings.
And then just have him read my script. He's right down the road. Okay, here we go. Hi.
Just knocked on the door. I don't know if he's actually talking or not.
Okay.
You never know.
What's up, buddy? Come on in.
Sorry. Okay. How you been?
Oh, I'm good.
Good, man.
It has been dethroned. It is no longer the #1 rock song in America, but it was there for a minute. Checking. There we go. This preseason at Granite Nissan, catch a deal. This preseason at Granite Nissan, catch a deal on the certified pre-owned. New and ready for a test drive. Score big with Granite Nissan off East Mall Drive in Rapid City.
I don't want no shit. You trying to apologize for you was still like that, but now you man, you got all the bumps on your face. He hit me hard, Joe. I had to go to the hospital.
He hit me hard.
You assaulted me with that chicken.
Alright, well, I forgot to record half of it, but one of the glass cokes. We're gonna go home and edit now. So the first thing you do, import Zach's audio. Find which one. Let's do this one. Let's get a little closer view here. Put it on your timeline. And before I cut it up and edit it into the video, come into your editor, your audio editor, and it's called audio ducking. So what you're going to do is you're going to connect this track with this track, so when he's talking, the audio, the music will drop so you can hear his voice, and then in between breaks when there's no sound, the audio will automatically come back up and then come back down after he starts talking again. Audio ducking. This is what it sounds like right now.
This preseason at Granite Nissan, catch a deal on the certified pre-owned luxury 2022.
Okay, now it sounds like ducking.
On the certified pre-owned luxury 2022 Nissan Armada SV. Luxury, that's a game changer. That's $11,070 off MSRP.
So that's the nice thing about having a voiceover guy. Zach, I've been working with long enough that I know his emphasis in how he speaks and his tone and speed, and he's pretty consistent. And it's easy for me to go through, and I can actually create a commercial that is cut to how he speaks and how much I can fill in. And I can write it. I write all the commercials, all the script. But it's nice because I know how he's going to say it and what he's going to do and how he's going to emphasize it.
$70 off MSRP. Tackle the road with this V8 powered Nissan Titan SV.
It's perfect. Look at that. I'm like right here, and I have plenty of space for everything that he's saying. Emphasis. I'm fucking that good. Come on. Look at this. It's so accurate. Wham! Lines right up. Perfect. Oh man.
To explore a full roster or stop by to check out more great deals.
Perfect. I am fucking good, man. I'm getting stoked. Yeah. Now that I have all the audio buttoned up, gotta color grade because this is D-Log. Gotta go in, gotta color grade.
This season at Granite Nissan, catch a deal on the 2024 Nissan Versa. Drive off with 0 down. Get fuel efficient at an affordable price. And payments as low as $345 a month. While watching the game, shop online at drivegranite.com to explore our full roster or stop by to check out more great deals like the 2024 Nissan Murano. Get up to $2,000 in savings. Don't wait. Score big with Granite Nissan, where great deals are always in season. Off East Mall Drive in Rapid City.